Hi everyone, this is Mrs. Welkenbach and her favorite student teacher, still, Mr. Bing. He runs away every time I turn this camera on, so I have to tell you, this is quite an accomplishment that I've got him here today, kids. Anyway, I'm here to tell you some exciting news. At least I think it's some exciting news. I am going to be hosting a Zoom. Yes, you heard it correctly. Mrs. Welkenbach is going to be hosting a Zoom with each of her classes because if you're like me, and even though Bing is a great conversationalist, we've been sitting around and we've been discussing in cold blood, and I thought to myself, we're halfway through the book. In fact, we're almost 3/4 of the way through the novel, and we haven't had a discussion. So guess what time it is? It's Socratic seminar time. Yes, that's right, kids. That first week in May, I'm going to be hosting a Socratic seminar with your classes. So I'm going to be sending out a survey monkey. So look for it in Google Classroom, and you're going to respond on what days and what times work best for your class. So I'm going to try to pick the days and times that work best for each class, and then on that particular day, you'll get a link and you'll be able to join us at that particular day and time. And yes, of course, you do earn points for it. So I'm really excited to be able to do this. I'm excited to be able to use the platform. But most of all, I'm just excited to be able to connect with you guys and hear all your voices and see what you guys have been doing. And I'm sure we'll have a breakout discussion to make sure everybody's been doing okay. But I'm really excited just to be talking about the novel and sharing some of the insights and the questions that you've had and all kinds of craziness like that. So please look for it on SurveyMonkey, and please know that Bing will be present and I will be speaking on behalf of him since he's a little camera shy, guys. The camera won't be on, but he gets a little nervous whenever I get the video recording devices on. But he does want to say a special thank you. He just gave me the look right now. To those of you who said how adorable he is. He feels very special that all of you think he's so cute. And he also wants to thank those of you who made comments about his great analyses of your journal abilities. Bing gives great commentaries on your journal. So please, if you haven't gotten a comment from Bing, know that you will, because he does read them with me, and he is a tough critic. So just know that Bing might say some things to you about your journals. So I look forward to hearing from all of you very, very soon. And I'm very, very excited to be able to use this exciting platform. So sorry I was a little late to that party, but we are going to be doing it very soon. So I look forward to it. And until then, this is Mrs. Welkenbach and Bing saying, hope to be talking to you all very, very soon. Thanks, guys. Miss you. Hope you're staying safe and healthy and following all those guidelines. Take care. Mrs. Welkenbach, out.